Alayna and Stephanie are about to duel in the category of birds.
Whoever wins this duel will be in an immediate tie with Sunny for the most territory on the floor.
And looking good for tonight's $20,000 prize.
Let the duel begin.
All right, God, it's in your hands.
Flamingo.
Eagle.
Hummingbird.
Rooster.
Duck.
Toucan.
Pigeon.
Peacock.
Turkey.
Seagull.
Blue jay.
Woodpecker.
Finch. Pass. Raven. Pass. Hawk.
Hummingbird. Pass. Red-crested cardinal. Finch. Pass. Stork. Pelican.
Pass. Dove.
Falcon.
Blackbird.
Cardinal.
Finch. Parakeet. Pass.
Stephanie! You've survived the challenge. And that was not easy. Let's light up your floor.
Oh.